Jai Gurudev to all. Today I will tell you how to calculate interest on drawings. Okay. So first of all, we have to know what is the meaning of drawings. Drawings is the amount which is which is to be drawn by the partners from the business. Okay. Drawings can be of two types: drawings against capital and drawings against profit. Interest will be charged on drawings against profit. So now we are going to understand how to calculate interest on drawings. Here the uh, point number one: when amount of withdrawn, when amount of withdrawn given. Okay, rate of interest on drawings also given, but the word per annum not given. So here the treatment is calculate interest on drawings for full year. Remember, calculate interest on drawings for full year if amount of withdrawn is given, rate of interest on drawings also given, and per annum word not given. Let us take a question. On 1st April 14, Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 10,000. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 12%. So, interest on drawings is equal to amount of drawings into rate upon 100 into 12 upon 12. So, 10,000 into 12% into 12 upon 12, that is 1. So, amount will be 1200. This is the interest on capital. Okay. Next one. Next method we have when amount of withdrawn given, rate of interest also given, but in this case the word per annum also given. Okay, but date of withdrawal is not given. In second case, date of withdrawal will be not given, but the per annum word given. So here treatment will be calculate interest on drawings for 6 months. Okay, calculate interest on drawings for 6 months. Done. Next one. So let us take a question. Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 10,000. Calculate interest on drawings. Okay, at the rate of 5% per annum. Hope so you are understanding it. Formula is amount withdrawn into rate upon 100 into 6 upon 12. Here 6 upon 12. Okay, 6 upon 12. Now 10,000 into 12% into 6 upon 12 is equal to 600. Next one. Next we have product method. Okay. Next we have product method. Okay. Now. Okay. This one. Next we have product method. Yes. So in this case, different amount is to be withdrawn at different dates. So here two conditions will be fulfilled. First one, there should be different amount, and second one, there should be different dates. Okay, the question is Ram withdrew the following amounts at the following dates: on 1st April 15, 500, 31st July 700, 1st October 600, and 1st January 16, 800. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum. Hope so this question will be clear to you. Okay. Now the solution is, this is a working note. It is a working note. Hope so. And on 1st April 500, 31st July 700, 1st October 600, 1st January 800. Now the accounting period is, for this case, from 1st April 15 to 31st March 2016. Okay, come with me. If Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 500 on 1st April, he will use this amount. He will use this amount from April to March, that is 12 months. Hope so it is understandable to you. If Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 700 on 31st July, then the amount will be used by him, okay, for August, September, October, November, December, January, February and March. So here 8 months. 8 months. If 600 withdrew on 1st October, then the time will be October, November, December, January, February and March. So this is the time, 6 months. If the amount is to be withdrawn by him on 1st January 2016, then the time will be from 1st January to 31st March. These are 3 months. So here these are 3 months. Okay, now you have to multiply the amount and time. So 500 into 12 is equal to 600. 700 into 8, 5600. 600 into 6, 3600. 800 into 3, 2400. The sum is 17,600. Yes. Now formula will be interest on drawings is equal to total amount into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 12. So total amount here 17,600. So 17,600 into 12% into 1 upon 12 is equal to 176. Hope so this calculation is to be clear to you. Now monthly drawings. In case of monthly drawings, amount should be uniform and these amount can be withdrawn at the beginning of each month or mid of each month or end of each month. So here first one, when amount is withdrawn at the beginning of each month. So we have the formula interest on drawings is equal to total amount into rate upon 100 into 6.5 upon 12. Okay, so this is the lecture 1. Okay, so how to calculate, how can we find 6.5? Here it is necessary to understand. For example, let us assume that we have an accounting period from April to March. Okay, try to understand it with me. For example, if Mr. Ram withdrew a certain amount on April, we have to observe here only opening and closing value. So if Mr. Ram withdrew a certain amount on 1st April, this amount will be used by Mr. Ram for 12 months. Hope so it is clear to you. 12 months, April to March. And if the last installment taken by him on 1st March, so the time for last installment will be 1 month. So opening value plus closing value divided by 2 is equal to 6.5. So here this is the trick to calculate 6.5. Okay, hope so it is quite clear to you. Now a question we have. Now A question we have. Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 2000 per month. At the beginning of each month, calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum. Okay, come with me. Okay, come with me. So we have to calculate interest on drawings. Now 2000 per month, 1 year has 12 months. So 2000 multiplied by 12 into 12% and into 6.5 upon 12. Now we have to calculate it. So this one 1 2 3 1 2 3 and 12 into 12. Hope so. Now 24 into 65. Multiply it and you will get the answer. Okay. Next one. When amount is withdrawn in the mid of each month. Now in the mid of each month. So here the formula will be total amount into rate upon 100 into 6 upon 12. Hope so. Okay. 65 multiplied by 24. Okay. Next one. So in this case, interest on drawings is equal to total amount into rate upon 100 into 6 upon 12. Again, how to calculate 6 upon 12? So understand it with me. Okay. Now, again I am saying April to March. Hope so it is clear to you. If Mr. Ram is withdrawing a certain amount on mid of the April, then this amount will be used by him for 11.5 months, and the last installment April, May, June, July, August, September, and further. Then in the mid of the March, then this amount will be used by him for 0.5 months, means half months, divided by 2 is equal to 6. Hope so it is clear to you. Now, next one. The question is, Mr. Ram withdrew 2000 in the mid of each month. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum. So interest on drawings will be, formula is here, total amount 2000 per month. In a year we have 12 months into 12% as well as 6 upon 12. 12 0 0, 12 to the 24 multiplied by 6. So 0 4 carry on to 6 to the 12 or to 14. Okay. Now last method of this monthly drawings method. Okay. Okay. Come with me. When amount is withdrawn at the end of each month. Here the formula is interest on drawings is equal to total amount into rate upon 100 into 5.5. Now the question is how 5.5 will come. So come with me and try to understand. It is so easy. It is just a small trick. Again, April to March. Okay. If Mr. Ram withdrew a certain amount at the end of April, he will use it for 11 months, and last installment will be taken by him at the end of March, that is 0 month divided by 2 is equal to 5.5. Now we have to calculate Okay, now we have to calculate the question interest on drawings. So interest on drawings is equal to 2000 into 12 into 12% and into 5.5 upon 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 12, 12. Okay, so 2 into 12 5 is 60, carry money 6, 12 5 is 60 and 6 is 66, 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 1, 13. So this is 1320. So this is the revisionary class. Already we had discussed it. Okay, now here is quarterly drawings. Come with me. It is a quarterly drawings. Okay, now quarterly drawings. So when amount is withdrawn at the beginning of each quarter, so formula is interest on drawings is equal to total amount into rate upon 100 into 7.5 upon 12. Now the question is, how can we get the 7.5? So we have 4 quarters in a year. Okay, we have 4 quarters in a year. It can be understood in this way. Okay, okay. This can be understood in this way: January, February, and March. The first quarter, if our accounting year from January to December, it can be no problem at all. And next one, April, May, and June. Next one, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So if Mr. Ram, okay, it is a small trick, listen it very carefully. If Mr. Ram withdrew a certain amount on January, then he will use that amount for 12 months. Remember, for 12 months. How? January, February, March, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the last quarter, okay, last installment at beginning of last quarter, that is October. So it is 3 months. These are 3 months divided by 2, that is 7.5. So we got 7.5 here. Here we got 7.5. Here we got 7.5. Now we have to calculate this one. Mr. Ram withdrew rupees 5,000 per quarter at the beginning of each quarter. Okay. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 12% per annum. So interest on drawings is equal to 5,000 into 4, since 1 year has 4 quarter, into 12% and into 7.5 upon 12. Sorry, 12. Yes. Okay. Now